Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of acute. Of a bad, difficult, or unwelcome situation or phenomenon, present or experienced to a severe or intense degree. For example, an acute housing shortage. The second definition of acute. Having or showing a perceptive understanding or insight, shrewd. For example, an acute awareness of changing fashions. American pronunciation. IELTS. IELTS. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. IELTS. Say, IELTS. Acute means severe, intense. IELTS. IELTS. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. An acute shortage of experienced staff is undermining growth, says Wang. Now, repeat after me. An acute shortage of experienced staff is undermining growth, says Wang. The second practice. Currently, American businesses are experiencing acute shortages of highly skilled IT professionals. Now, repeat after me. Currently, American businesses are experiencing acute shortages of highly skilled IT professionals.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.